Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can swap USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now, tap on the swap icon at the bottom of your screen and this page will open up. Inside it, tap on the first currency and select USDT from the available list. After that, tap on the To Currency and then choose TRX from the list. Once done, enter the amount and then tap on the swap button at the bottom. If you can't do this for some reason, then you can go to the Discover section at bottom right corner and then search for pancakeswap.finance. After that, give it a go and then you will be redirected to this web page. Here, connect your Trust Wallet account and then tap on this Trade Now button. After that, select both of the currencies like we did before, enter the preferred amount, and then tap on the swap button to complete the process. So that's basically how you can swap USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.